Welcome to our discussion on the miracle benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. This approach has gained popularity due to its potential health benefits. Let's explore some of the remarkable benefits associated with intermittent fasting. Segment number 1. Weight loss. One of the primary benefits of intermittent fasting is its effectiveness in promoting weight loss. By restricting the eating window, intermittent fasting can help create a calorie deficit, leading to fat loss. Additionally, it may increase metabolism and promote the preservation of lean muscle mass. Segment number 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for regulating blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. By reducing insulin resistance, intermittent fasting may help control blood sugar levels and promote overall metabolic health. Segment number 3. Enhanced brain function. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may have positive effects on brain health. It has been shown to promote the growth of nerve cells and increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor (BDNF), a protein that supports brain function. These effects may potentially improve cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Segment number 5. Longevity and cellular health. Intermittent fasting has been linked to increased lifespan in animal studies, and it may have similar effects of human longevity. Fasting triggers cellular repair processes such as autophagy, where damaged cells are cleared out and replaced with new ones. These mechanisms may contribute to better cellular health and potentially extend lifespan. Increased autophagy. Autophagy is a cellular process that involves the recycling and removal of dysfunctional or unnecessary cellular components. Intermittent fasting can stimulate autophagy, promoting cellular renewal and potentially reducing the risk of certain diseases. Enhanced metabolic health. Intermittent fasting can have positive effects of metabolic health markers. It may help lower insulin levels, improve blood lipid profiles, and reduce markers of inflammation, all of which are important for overall metabolic health. Improve blood sugar control. By allowing periods of fasting, intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Increased energy and mental clarity. Many individuals report experiencing increased energy levels and improved mental clarity during intermittent fasting. This may be attributed to stabilized blood sugar levels and the body's adaptation to using stored fat for fuel. Convenience and simplified meal planning. Intermittent fasting can simplify meal planning and reduce the need for constant food preparation. With a shorter eating window or alternate day fasting, individuals may spend less time and effort on meal planning and cooking. Potential cancer prevention. Some research suggests that intermittent fasting may have anti-cancer effects by reducing insulin levels, oxidative stress, and inflammation. While most studies are needed, intermittent fasting shows promise as a potential adjunct therapy for cancer prevention and treatment. Psychological benefits. Intermittent fasting can have positive psychological effects. It can promote discipline, self-control, and mindfulness around eating. Some individuals also report an improved relationship with food and a reduced likelihood of emotional eating. Sustainable lifestyle approach. Intermittent fasting can be a sustainable approach to long-term health and weight management. It doesn't involve strict calorie counting or eliminating specific food groups, making it easier to adopt as a lifestyle rather than a short-term diet. It's important to note that intermittent fasting may not be suitable for everyone, and individual experiences may vary. It's recommended to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before starting any fasting regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. They can provide personalized guidance and support to ensure that intermittent fasting is appropriate for you.